We're up here in Rozzi Square. We gotta go into the neighborhood. We'll show you how to get under there. We're gonna go under the T. Gonna go under, right? Huh? See, Rozzi Village. Look, Rozzi Village, Commuter Rail, right there. It says. Wait, what's this? A tunnel? We're gonna be underneath the train tracks? No way. Ooh, there you go.
Do you go? It's like a jungle, actually. Because jungles have these little under things.
Yeah. So just come in here, and we're gonna take a right on Conway.
Conway? Oh, Conway, that's fancy. I wonder, her house is kind of like Zachary's house.
See, on this side too, you got more parking to go into the T.
And where's the T line? Where's the park?
Here, look. All there. There's the tracks right there, okay?